Hello.
Hi.
Can I get, how much are the Mega Millions tickets? Like $2 a piece?
Thank you.
There is just something about the excitement when you first buy a lottery ticket. In between the time that you buy it and the drawing, it's pretty magical stuff. When you got one of these, anything can happen, and you can let your imagination run wild. Monica and I love to take walks in the evening, and when we have a lottery ticket, the conversation always ends up turning to what we would do if somehow we won. What kind of house would we buy? Would it be the gated, stately manor, like what you see here? Pretty unbelievable. Or maybe a modern day monstrosity of a mansion, like what you see here. 4-car garage, I'd take that. What sorts of cars would I buy? Yeah, I know, I already own that one. And to be honest with you, it's pretty doggone practical for a 2-door car, and it's really comfortable to travel in. Now, I might upgrade to something like a Shelby version of it to get rid of the puny 400 horsepower and put 700 in. But since we're dreaming, I know I'd have one of these. And you can be sure I'd probably buy another one of these. And of course, maybe a few of these. Oh, the vacations we would take and all the beautiful places that we want to see. Usually, we always discuss what we would do with our regular 9-to-5s if we were to happen to win the lottery. And 9 times out of 10, what we would do would make us pretty much unemployable by that same company. And this brings me to an interesting revelation. On the way home from our awesome collaboration on Saturday with the Fantastic Joe, we passed a billboard that had a list of what the jackpots were for the lottery. And Monica said, the jackpots are pretty big. And this got me to thinking, so I asked out loud to Monica, do you think I would still do what I'm doing if we won the lottery? And it took her no time at all to say, oh, for sure. You'd probably outsource all the things you don't like about what you're doing, but this is your thing. You would travel the world meeting with other YouTubers. And you know what? She's totally right. For the first time in my life, I don't have to dream about what I would do if I won the lottery. I'm already doing it, and that is pretty freaking awesome. So the fact is that YouTube has actually given me something that the lottery probably wouldn't. The understanding of what I really love to do and want to do. And personally, that makes my life a lot more fulfilling than actually winning the lottery.
Come back to me, back to me. How could I let you go? How could I let you go? How could I let you go?
I may not have a really fancy house or beautiful, amazing cars or the fancy jet set lifestyle, but what I do have is something that I truly am passionate about and love to do. And to me, that's more valuable than any of those things. So take my advice, guys. If you want to live a more fulfilling lifestyle, find what it is that you love to do and find a way to do it. Maybe not make money at it. I'm not making money at this, at least not yet, maybe someday. But do it. It will make your life more fulfilling and enjoyable. Do me a favor, guys. Go out there, find your adventure, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.